Hello, today we'll go through how to track a device with help of Combain Location API. First step is to find an API key. You go to Customers and then click on the pen on the right hand side for your customer. Scroll down until you see API key. Copy this key and then go back to Places. Go to your building and then you go on a new site that is combain.com/API. Here you will see API key, copy your API key, and then on request change to indoor Wi-Fi or indoor Bluetooth. Both of them have the same methods. It depends if you're using Wi-Fi units or Bluetooth units when you're tracking. Here, go to the correct floor, and now you will see either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth units. We will use Wi-Fi units on this example. Next step is to see which units your device can see. We're going to do an example with only 2 units. You click on one of the units and then copy the numbers below. Go back and paste these numbers on MAC addresses. Do this method with all the units that your device can see. You also need to check the signal strength on all units, and we're going to do an example when they are the same. So the result should be in between the units, and when we clicked submit, it got in the correct location, as you can see on the map. If you, for example, change one of the unit's signal strength to a lot stronger, it will get closer to that unit. On the right hand side, you can see location, building, and floor index and floor label. Location, it shows the latitude and longitude of your location, and then floor index is always 0, and then one floor up is 1, and then 2, and then 3. Floor label, however, is what's most common in, for example, an elevator. Building is the building you have chosen in Places, and we picked Kemicentrum.